At the Land Euro 2025 Defense Expo, Israeli defense tech firm Xtend Defense showcased its newest compact unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, the Honeybadger. Designed to excel in both indoor and outdoor tactical missions, this versatile drone is tailored to operate effectively in GPS-denied environments and under hostile electronic warfare conditions. The Honeybadger combines autonomous navigation with human oversight, powered by Xtend's AI-driven XOS software, developed from extensive battlefield feedback. The Honeybadger joins Xtend's lineup of cutting-edge tactical drones crafted for NATO and allied forces demanding lightweight, adaptable reconnaissance tools for urban and contested areas. Its physical dimensions include a length of 85.1 centimeters, width of 70.1 centimeters, and height of 25.1 centimeters, with rotor blades spanning 35.6 centimeters, weighing 4 kilograms without payload. It can carry up to 3 kilograms of mission equipment. Flight endurance reaches 35 minutes without payload and drops to 18 minutes when loaded, while top speeds can reach 70 km per hour. Wind resistance is rated up to nearly 28 km per hour. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal, the Honeybadger carries a high-zoom electro-optical camera with 40x magnification and a thermal sensor featuring 4x zoom. Communications rely on encrypted 256-bit AES protocols over frequencies between 1.98 and 2.7 GHz. Its command and control system supports a generic API compatible with the TAK, Tactical Assault Kit, interface, extending operational flexibility. The drone boasts a line-of-sight range exceeding 7 km and can be deployed in under 40 seconds. A modular payload system using standardized rails and interfaces enables rapid switching of sensors or equipment, meeting NDAA compliance for U.S. defense procurement. The Honeybadger's design prioritizes functionality in GPS-restricted or jammed zones such as tunnels, indoor complexes, and urban battlegrounds. It offers various flight modes including manual piloting, drop-and-go operations, and camera-centric surveillance. Operators can designate navigation waypoints on screen, allowing the drone's AI to autonomously avoid obstacles and navigate through confined passages like doorways and windows. Mesh networking technology permits simultaneous operation of multiple drones by a single controller, enhancing situational awareness across multi-node deployments. The system is engineered for electromagnetic interference-heavy environments, making it suitable for underground or enclosed combat zones, where it supports real-time intelligence gathering and minimizes risk to personnel. Xtend Defense's roots trace to founders Aviv Shapira, Matteo Shapira, and Ruby Liani, who initially created immersive drone control tech for commercial and gaming markets before pivoting to defense following urgent operational demands from the Israeli Defense Forces, IDF. During the 2019 and 2023 conflicts in Gaza, the company adapted its platforms for challenging tasks like tunnel reconnaissance, urban close-quarters surveillance, and hostage rescue support. Continuous frontline feedback from IDF units has shaped iterative improvements leading to the Honeybadger and other advanced systems. Xtend's technologies have also been deployed in northern Israel, Lebanon, and Ukraine. Alongside drones, the firm integrated its software into quadruped robots for reconnaissance when aerial drones were unsuitable. In July 2025, Xtend closed a $30 million extension of its Series B funding round, bringing total investment to $100 million. Key backers include Aliyah Capital Partners, Protego Ventures, Qualtech, Union Tech, Chartered Group, and TAU Ventures. That same year, Xtend inaugurated a 930 square meter manufacturing facility in Tampa, Florida, near MacDill Air Force Base and the U.S. Special Operations Command. Operational since May 2025, the site produces thousands of drones annually, primarily servicing U.S. Department of Defense contracts with a focus on SOCOM requirements. Production is planned to expand into electronic components and control modules. The facility also supports domestic production mandates and is projected to grow its workforce to 100 employees within 3 years, generating jobs aligned with national security priorities. The U.S. DoD's Irregular Warfare Technical Support Directorate, IWTSD, awarded Xtend a contract for its Precision Strike Indoor and Outdoor, PSIO, drone initiative following successful live-fire trials of the Scorpio 500 drone. Measuring about 45 centimeters across, Scorpio 500 carries payloads up to 0.45 kilograms, including warheads such as directional fragmentation, shaped charges, and thermobaric munitions. Designed for confined space combat like room clearing in GPS-denied zones, the drone supports secure communications through mesh networks or fiber optic tethers to avoid jamming, including underground operations. Scorpio 500 and Honeybadger share the AI-driven XOS software platform. PSIO drone deliveries commenced in early 2025, with production underway in Florida. Xtend employs roughly 100 to 120 personnel across Israel, the US, Singapore, and Eastern Europe. Over 5,000 drone units were sold globally in the last year, with clients spanning the IDF, US SOCOM, NATO allies, and various law enforcement and emergency response agencies. The company operates 3 business divisions focused on defense, civil, and dual-use markets. Xtend's XOS system minimizes operator training time to mere hours, a vital feature for reservists and short training personnel such as those in the IDF. Ongoing software development aims to enhance autonomy and enable cross-platform interoperability. Future product plans include advancing the Honeybadger, Scorpio, and Xtender platforms, scaling manufacturing for international markets, and deepening integration with Western defense ecosystems. Xtend's growth parallels a broader surge in Israel's defense technology sector since late 2023, marked by increased venture capital flows, startup activity, and the rise of AI and robotics applications in military fields.